This is the best chili dog in the entire world. And here's the restaurant where you get it.
This place has been around for a century, and when you walk in, it's like you're going back in time. The place hasn't changed. If I had to describe it in one word, it's just happy. Pure happiness from delicious chili dogs. Here's their primary logo. I like this logo.
It's called Famous Hot Weiner, and there's only a few of these restaurants in central Pennsylvania. I decided to carve their logo into this huge 2-foot long sign. I used an Oramask and some painting techniques. I'm going to show you how I made it on my new Bob CNC Quantum router. Check it out.
You can see I added the Oramask before I started. I'm using a 3/4 inch spiral downcut bit, and I'm only making one pass, very shallow, just enough to break through the thin veneer top of that plywood. If you're digging the content, drop me a like, subscribe, ring the bell, all that fun stuff. Now I do a quick bit change to a 1/16 inch downcut spiral, a much, much smaller bit, and this will do the fine detail in between the letters. You can see some of the letters touch each other, and that's not supposed to be like that. So this brings everything to the correct size. I remove the areas of the Oramask that need to receive spray paint. Now these 3 areas need to be bare wood on the final product, so these contain the mask parts, except for the inside of the O, which fell off accidentally, so I need to repair that. I just use a piece of painter's tape, and that does the trick just fine. Here comes the red layer. This is gloss fire engine red. Apply that evenly, and I let that dry. Then I come back with the yellow, and I overshot the yellow. I put too much on, so I come back with the red, and that'll have a nice gradated appearance. This is just apply acrylic house paint with a hobby brush. And then I remove the mask, and oh baby, look at how awesome that is. Here's a close-up. Help me make more of these awesome projects by supporting me on Patreon and get on my email list. It's free. I keep you posted so you never miss a thing. Thanks, Internet.